dear students, welcome to your maths class. Our today's topic is making the greatest and smallest number from given 4 digit. But before starting today's class, let's go back to our previous class. In previous class, I had given you some question to solve. So now let's see the solution of that question. Our first question was write the following numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay, there are some numbers. Using it, we have to write in ascending and descending order. So first we will write in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to greatest. So look at the number A. In A there are 5 numbers. So tell me which is the most smallest number. Yes, 1068. After that 1169, and next 1618, and next 1680, and next 1816. So this is our first ascending order, smallest to greatest. Okay, next is in next question you can see here there are 5 numbers. So tell me which is the most smallest number among these numbers. Yes, 3459, and after that 4678, and next one 5478, and next is 6423, and last and most greatest number 7624. See, most smallest number is, we can see here all digit are 4 digit, but this is the only 3 digit number. So this is the most smallest number. So first is 999, second 1078, third 3432, and next 4634. Next one is 5945. In D, most smallest number is 1111. In after that 2222, after that 3333, after that 6666, and most greatest number is 7777. In E, most smallest number is 6798, after that 7689, after that 7986, and next is 8769, and last one is 9876. Now we have to write in descending order, means greatest to smallest. So in this A, which is the most greatest number? Yes, 1816. After this 1680, after that 1618, after that 1169, and last most smallest number is 1068. In B, most greatest number is 7624. After this 6423, next one 5471, and next is 4678, next 3459. Look at the next C. In C, most greatest number is 5945, and next 4634, next one is 3432, and next is 1078, and last one is 999. So look at the D. D, most greatest number is 7777, next 6666, after this 3333, next is 2222, next is 1111. In E, most greatest number is 9876, after this 8769, and after this 7986, after this 7689, and last one is most smallest number 6709. So we can see here this is ascending order smallest to greatest, and this is descending order greatest to smallest. It means you can see here this is a opposite. Look here, it's a 1068 and here 1068. So ascending order and descending order is opposite to each other. One is smallest to greatest and another is greatest to smallest. Okay, let's start our today's topic. Our today's topic is making the greatest and smallest number from given 4 digit. In this, there is given 4 digit. By using it, we have to make greatest number and most smallest number. Okay, so let's start. First, we will see making a greatest number from a given 4 digit. To make a greatest number, we have to follow some rule. To make a greatest 4 digit number from a given number, follow the rules given below. First is put the greatest digit among the given digit in the thousand place. And next is put the next greatest digit in the hundred place similarly. Third rule is put the next greatest digit in the tens place. And finally put the smallest digit among the given digit in the ones place. Okay, so let's follow this rule and we will make a 4 digit greatest 4 digit number with given digit. So first one is make a greatest number with the given digit 4389. So according to the rule, we have to write greatest digit among the given digit in the thousand place. So tell me, which is the most greatest digit among this digit? Yes, 9 is the most greatest digit among these digits. So we have to write 9 at thousand place. Okay, and next greatest digit in the hundred place. So which is the next greatest digit among these digits? Yes, absolutely 8. So we have to write 8 at hundred place. And next greatest digit in the tens place. So which is next? It's mean third greatest digit in among these digits. Yes, 4. So we have to write 4 at tens place. And last smallest digit in the ones place. So which digit is the most smallest among these digits? Yes, absolutely 3. So we have to write 3 at ones place. Now we can see here this is a number and this is the most greatest number. So the greatest number with the given digit 4389 is 9843. Okay, most greatest number with the given digit is 4389 is 9843. It's mean 9843. Okay, look at the another example. Another example is make a greatest number with the digit 6735. Okay, for making this we will follow these rules. So which is the most greatest digit among these digits? Yes, 7 is the most greatest digit. So we will write 7 at the thousand place. After that, which is next greatest digit? Yes, so we will write 6 at the hundred place. And next greatest digit, which is a? Yes, this is a 5. So we will write 5 at tens place. And now we have to write most smallest digit. So which is the most smallest digit given in among these digits? Yes, 3. So we can see here this is a number 7653. So the greatest number with the given digit 6735 is 7653. Okay, so I hope you have understood so why we can make greatest digit number from a given 4 digit number. Okay, next is making a smallest number from given 4 digits. So it also have certain rule, but it is a just opposite of making greatest number from 4 digit. Okay, so let's see. To make a smallest 4 digit number from given 4 digits, follow the rules given below. So first rule is put the smallest digit among the given digits in the thousand place. Next rule is put the next smallest digit in the hundred place similarly. Third is put the next smallest digit in the tens place, and finally put the next greatest digit in among the given digit in the ones place. Okay, so we will look at example. First example is make a smallest number with the digit 4, 3, 8 and 9. According to the rule, which is the most smallest digit among these digits? Yes, absolutely, 3 is the most smallest digit among these digits. So where we will write 3? We have to write 3 at thousand place. Okay, and next smallest digit in the hundred place. So which is the next smallest digit? Yes, 4 is the next smallest digit. So we have to write 4 at the hundred place. After that, next smallest digit in the tens place. So which is the next smallest digit after 4? This is a 8. So we have to write 8 at tens place. And last one is greatest digit in the ones place. So which is the most greatest digit among these digits? Yes, 9 is the most greatest digit. So we have to write 9 at ones place. So we can see here this is a number. Which number is 3489. So the smallest number with the given digit 4389 is 3489. Okay. Look the another example. Another example is make a smallest number with the digit 9835. Okay. According to rule, firstly we have to write most smallest digit at a thousand place. So which is most smallest digit? Yes, 3 is the most smallest digit. So we have to write at thousand place. Okay. And next smallest digit is? Yes, 5 is the next smallest digit. So we have to write 5 at hundred place. Next is next smallest digit. Which is the next smallest digit after 3? Yes, after 5? Yes, 8. 8 is the next smallest digit. So we have to write 8 at tens place. And in last, we have to write greatest digit. So which is the most greatest digit among these digits? Yes, 9 is the most greatest digit among these digits. So we have to write at ones place. So we can see here this is the most smallest number using this digit 3589. It means 3589. So the smallest number with the given digit is 3589. Okay. Now it's time to your homework. So look at your homework. Your homework is make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number with the given digit. There are some digits in A, B, C, D and E. By using it, you have to make 4 digits. Firstly, greatest number, greatest and smallest number. Okay. So you have first is 7684. By using it, you have to make greatest and next smallest number. In B, 4392. In C, 1827. In D, 6493. And in E, 5621. By using these digits, you have to make greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers.